Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet the ribbon edging stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, go ahead and check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches and techniques. So for this project, I'm going to start this video a little bit different. I'm going to start off by going ahead and chaining how many multiples of 2 that I want for this project. Now, if you're starting this video and you just want to do this as a blanket edge, you'll just start right at the edge of your blanket, just like normal. To get started with this project, we are going to chain 1 to get started. And if you are doing this onto anything that you're adding an edging to, this counts for you as well. Then, after you're doing your first chain 1, you are going to single crochet in every single stitch until the very end of the row, and then you are going to turn your work. Now that we have the foundation portion of this done, let's go ahead and turn our work and start row 2. For row 2, you're going to start off by chaining 4, then you are going to skip the first stitch, and in the following stitch you are going to work a double crochet. Then we're going to jump straight into the repeat, which is going to be chaining 1, skipping 1, and double crocheting into the following stitch. You'll repeat this all the way until the end of the row. So again, the repeat is going to be chaining 1, skipping 1, double crocheting into the following stitch. Now, when you end up getting to the end of your row, you are going to work that last double crochet into that chain 4 space. Now let's finish this off. Starting on row 3, you're going to start off by chaining 1, and then you're going to go straight into the repeat, which is going to be single crocheting into the next stitch, followed by single crocheting, if I can say it right, into the chain 1 space from the row below. You'll repeat this all the way to the end of the work, and then you'll fasten off your yarn. So again, the repeat is going to be single crocheting in the next stitch, followed by single crocheting into the chain 1 space from the row below. There you have it. That is how you do the ribbon edging stitch pattern. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day.